Hey guys, in this video, I will show you 5 must-try Chrome alternatives for Android. All right, let's begin. First up, we have Firefox Focus. This is a no-nonsense browser built for privacy. It opens with a simple search bar, does not support multiple tabs, and deletes all browsing data with one tap. There's no history, no trackers, and no clutter. If you want something fast and private, this is it. Next, we have the Brave browser. Brave blocks ads and trackers by default and even offers a rewards program for watching privacy-respecting ads. It's fast, lightweight, and offers a built-in crypto wallet, making it ideal for users who care about privacy and speed. Now let's talk about Opera GX. Designed for gamers, Opera GX brings unique features like a GX Corner with game releases, trailers, and news. It includes ad blocking, haptic feedback navigation, and flow for sharing content between devices. It's stylish and functional, especially for gaming fans. Moving on, the Yandex browser is another solid choice. It offers a visually appealing design, customizable widgets, and strong privacy tools. Features include built-in ad blocking, incognito mode, translation tools, and a reader mode for distraction-free reading. Finally, there's Vivaldi. Built for power users, Vivaldi supports tab stacking, custom tab arrangements, and speed dials for quick access. You can use search shortcuts by typing a letter followed by your query to search on specific platforms. It also comes with built-in privacy tools and is great for tablets and foldables. So that's basically how you can try 5 must-use Chrome alternatives for Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.